Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is literally the easiest eye makeup that I've ever done. It literally takes 3 minutes, something that I do every morning. It's the kind of eye makeup that makes your eye look more alert, much bigger and brighter. And it doesn't even need much effort because we're not even using eyeshadows. This is the pencil method and so apt for every day, to work, to school, to college, what have you. So without further ado, let's begin. I'm going to be using 3 pencils. This one is for the brows. This is precisely my brows from Benefit in the shade 4.5. This is my favorite eyebrow pencil. It's so precise and gets done so quick. And then I'm going to be using a highlighter pencil. This is Highbrow, again from Benefit. You can use any light color or nude color eye pencil. There's so many options even in the drugstore. My favorite is Scandalize Nude Eye Pencil from Rimmel. And then I'm going to be using this brown eye pencil by Milani. You can also use black if you prefer, but for every day I prefer brown because it's a little bit more subtle, not as harsh as black. And what I like about this is, one, it's retractable, so I don't need a sharpener every time I use it. I just want it to be really quick in the morning. And I don't need an extra brush because it has a smudging sponge right in the back. I'm starting with my brows using the Precisely My Brows from Benefit, just filling in the sparse areas. I'm just going to pull out hair-like strokes so it looks as natural as possible. In the darkness, and then I'm going to use the highbrow pencil in 3 areas. I'm going to use it to highlight the inner corners and brow bones. And I'm also going to use it in the outer half of my lower waterline. I won't even be using a brush. I'm just using my finger to quickly smudge and blend this out. Using a light color eye pencil in the outer part of your lower waterline makes your eye look bigger and brighter because it almost seems like the white part of your eyeball has all of a sudden grown. So the white in your waterline feels like it's a part of the eyeball. So that's why it looks bigger. And then I'm going to be using the brown eye pencil first in the outer part of my crease, and I'm going to smudge it and kind of soften it using the sponge in the back. And I'm also going to be using it in the outer corner of my eyes, both in the top and lower lash line. And again, I'm going to use the sponge to smudge this out. Using a darker shade in the outer corner and smudging it outwards makes your eye look bigger because it gives that elongated eye look. And then I'm going to finish up with some mascara. I'm using the Bad Girl Bang again from Benefit. And here's the finished look. So apt, so perfect for every day. It gets done so quick. Here's the comparison of before and after. I hope it'll help you too. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to watch more videos like these, let me know in the comments section below. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you're new here, I post new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays. For your convenience, I'm listing all the products that I used in the description box right below this video, and you'll also find my socials there. So if you want to chat with me a little bit more, if you want more giveaways, make sure you're following me on Instagram and Facebook. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.